Hey, Darren. I'm over at Hayes' house right now. It is Thursday at
4 o'clock?
4 o'clock, Thursday at 4, and I'm just taking my last Zooms of the day here, and then we are going to have supper club tonight. But before supper club, we're having happy hour. So exciting. We're having some rosé. Hayes just made the cutest little snack plate. What do we put in these olives, Hayes?
Olive oil, lemon zest, red pepper flakes, and a pinch of flaky salt.
Oh wow, look at that.
Very good.
Anyways, my camera's gonna die and I didn't bring my charger over here, so we're just gonna vlog as much as we can, but just wanted to start off this vlog and say welcome. If you're new here, I'm Caroline. I'm from North Carolina, living in Salt Lake. And if you're back, welcome back. If you're here to stalk, I'm glad you're here too. You know, we're all one big happy family. So
TikTok is haze.snipes.
Plug, yeah, I'll put her handle here, the link below. And yeah, tonight
we're here for good vibes.
Tonight, yeah, we're here for good vibes. So look at her cute bar cart. We love. These cups are from Anthropologie. They just got them in. I'll link them below. So cute. Ooh.
Twist it, shout it.
Get a little elbow grease in there.
Nice. Fabulous. You give the heaviest pour.
You know,
Life is short.
life is short. Make it sweet. Ching ching. Cheers.
Wow.
Shatter.
Immaculate.
Oh.
The UV was like 3!
Oh, goodness, honey. My camera died. It's charged now. Anyways, it is 2:15 in the afternoon. I've just been working all day. I got back from spin, showered, and just got straight into work. But now I'm going to wrap things up and then go pick up my friend that just flew in to Utah to visit me. He's not staying here, obviously, but we're gonna go have a little afternoon date and then go to dinner. So I'm not gonna film that, but I'll see you next time I pick up my camera. It will probably see you tomorrow morning. But tomorrow's gonna be really fun because we're going over to Hayes' house, and she's having a party at her house with like a band. It's like an outdoor summer kickoff kind of thing, and then I'm meeting another friend tomorrow night. So anyways, let's go. Okay, really quick before I go, just got some packages. I got my new router, but I also just got a new pair of boots in the mail. I'll put up an inspo picture of what I was like thinking of outfit wise with these boots from Dolce Vita. They're so cute and they were on sale. Dolce Vita is having a good sale right now. But this is a white dress. So you get it. Let's see. Oh my god, I love them. Yep. Those are cute. Okay. All right, I'm late. I gotta go. Bye. Good morning. It's raining today. Happy Saturday. It actually really stinks that it's raining because today is Hayes' like little backyard party. So I'm up. It's 8:58. No, it's 8:39. Did I just have a stroke? And I am about to go to Trader Joe's to get a little appetizer get together for this party. I'm using my Kosas lip stuff, if it will focus. Kosas, yes. I just got my nails done too, I love them. It's the color called Diamond Eyes, and then I got the pearl chrome on top of it. So anyways, we are up. We're gonna go run some errands. I will vlog the rest of today. Actually, I'm gonna go to brunch with a friend and then vlog the rest of the day. But yeah, it was a good night. Bye. Okay, we are back from Trader Joe's. I'll show you really quickly what I got for like a little appetizer situation. 2 of these pastry bites, feta cheese, caramelized onions, and then I also got 2 of these puff pastries. So I'm just gonna throw both this one in the air fryer, this one in the oven, and I'll put it in my like Le Creuset casserole dish so it stays hot. And then like I can either just throw it in the oven at Hayes' house really quick to warm it up, or like, you know. Then I got French baguette, Italian bruschetta, and fresh basil. So what I'm gonna do for this is just cut these up into little rounds, and then all I have to do, and then go ahead and cut this up and wash it. So all I have to do when I'm over at Hayes' is just lay these out on the platter I'm gonna bring, do a scoop of bruschetta, this on top, maybe drizzle it with balsamic, and then we're done. So, and then I also got more of these avocado packets because I just like to keep these at home. So, got some of those. And that's all I got. I gotta get ready kind of quick now to go meet my friend for brunch, and then we're going to Hayes'.
Hey, you're scared.
Waffle spice.
I mean, whoa.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Right, I'm gonna let you go for it.
Just step. Let's
I'm
just
gonna walk
let's
away.
step back.
This TikTok's gonna go viral for sure.
Only 6-1 video.
She was with that Jackie. Love it.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah, we host.
I think we should go outside.
No, I think we should go
Yeah, girl gang.
Lindsay, get in here. Where is she?
Oh, is it a video?
Oh, wow.
don't even start the show once. Like I did my part. I did my part. Good morning. It is like 9 o'clock Sunday morning. I didn't really film too much else of last night. We just ended up hanging out at Hayes' house, going to get some dinner. So anyways, I'm up this morning to do a Sammy's Clark workout. I was gonna go to boxing, but I think they canceled the Sunday 9:30s. So I'm going to do a 30-minute lower body. I also need to pack and get ready for Boston. I'm leaving for Boston tomorrow, pretty early, so all the things. Okay, let's do this workout.
Welcome to your workout of the day. I have a special workout in store for you guys. We are going to use a little bit more equipment.
Okay, so I just wrapped up at, is this focused? I just wrapped up at Old Cuss. It's 1:38, and so I was there for like literally almost like 2.5 hours, honestly. We are actually gonna head over to one more vintage store called Vantage, so V-A-N-T-A-G-E. It's another just like really cool thrifty kind of retro vintage store. Like, I don't know, I'll put some like Pinterest outfit inspos up on like right now. I just don't want to look like cute this summer, if that makes sense. I just want to look like effortlessly like coastal cowgirl, kind of slouchy but still put together, I don't know, vibe. But I can't really find anything that I'm looking for at like Zara, you know what I mean? It's all like thrifted. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there, see if I can find some pieces, and then run home. The sun's coming out, so I kind of want to go lay out on a blanket and perhaps take a nap. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I just got home. The thrift gods were with me today. I'll show you what I got. So, from Old Cuss, I got this really cute Brooks Brothers like Oxford shirt. It's just like green striped, a little bit oversized. And this was only $25, so love that. Also from Old Cuss, I got this really cool Levi's jacket, and I was literally about to buy this exact same thing at Reformation, and this was $35. So really cool, really like, it's got a lot of zippers and pockets and whatever. Then from Vantage, I got this cool rugby, it's like navy with a little emblem, Ralph Lauren jersey. I also got a Ralph Lauren jersey in white with this blue stripe, which is cool. Then I got this really cool Tommy Hilfiger shirt, just like an oversized white, long sleeve, comfy t-shirt. Then I got these really cool cowboy boots for $40. Pointed toe, super worn in, like this blue stitching, and they honestly fit like pretty darn good. I definitely need some boot socks with them, but love these. So yeah, the thrift gods were with me today, which is great. So now it's really sunny, so we're about to get a little snack, get some water, get my book, and go lay out in the park for a little bit and just chill. I feel like I need a nap, so we're gonna do that. So let's go. Go ahead and end this vlog off here. Is this a weird angle? I'm sitting on my floor in my bedroom. I still have so much to like get ready and pack for before oh my god, I'm like listening to music and trying to like talk. I'm about to start packing for Boston tomorrow, but I wanted to quickly remind everybody about these focus shots called Feel Free. They are these Kava and Kratom shots, and they look like this, and you can only take half of them, but I swear these are literally, I've never taken Adderall before, but these are like liquid Adderall. Like, I swear they are the best focus shots. Like, you just focused and you're in such a good mood. Anyways, I cannot say enough good things about these focus shots, so I'll leave the link to these down below. And then also the Skinny Confidential has a code right now, Skinny20 I think it is. So use them, you get a pack of 12. I know they're kind of expensive, but go buy those. I'll leave the link down below. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm just gonna watch White Lotus and pack for Boston and go to bed. I'm exhausted, but yeah. See y'all. Actually, tomorrow I'm starting a new vlog off for Boston, so see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye.